Okay, today I received a package and I'm going to film it because I just haven't filmed or edited anything in a while and I want to. Today I'm going to open and install new headlights for my Jeep. Alright, so this is before without them on. Alright, let's turn them on. Let's see what they're like. So this is before. Just the standard. They're all crooked, pointed different ways. Alright, that is island deer for you. Black-tailed deer. We have so many of them here on the island. It should just be easy plug and play. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so from the little research I have done, you take these out and that takes this border off, and then we'll take some more off when we get in there. And the only tool I really have is a screwdriver, and I think that's all I will need. Alright, there we have it. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 we'll take out. So let's do it. Alright, 4 screws there. Pull that out. Okay, so then you have that just plugged in. So we'll take that out. I'll clean that up a little bit. That's pretty dirty, so yeah. And then I'll just take this, and that just plugs in. So I'll just take the new ones, and I'll put the ring around it, and then the 4 screws, and then that, and plug it in, and we'll go. Let's see. Alright, there's the difference. Cool. I'm super happy with these. You don't have to go now. I won't let you down. I don't know how you found me and why you stay around. It all starts when I'm lonely and you really know me. Might as well call it poison. Alright, so yeah, it was just literally 8 screws and a plug, and that's it. They work. We'll check these at night, see what they look like. I don't have a before of the stock headlights, so whatever. I mean, these were like 85 bucks, so under 100 bucks plus shipping, and it's so easy. I will post the link in the description. Alright, I'll check back in when it's dark, see what they look like. Peace. Here we go. Let's do a test. They look good. I have new LEDs, bulbs coming in for almost every light. These side ones, this one doesn't even work. The rear lights, the inside lights. I didn't go with LED fixtures. I'm going with LED light bulbs in the rear. So much better.